Welcome to Rittal. I'm Simon. How can I help you today?
I've been looking for an efficient way to keep my enclosures cool while protecting internal components. Can you tell me more about Rittal's fan and filter solutions?
Of course. Rittal's Top Therm fan and filter units provide a simple, energy-efficient way to regulate enclosure temperatures by optimizing airflow and preventing dust buildup. Our fans offer high airflow performance with low energy consumption, ensuring your sensitive equipment stays cool without excessive power usage. Plus, with tool-free filter replacement, maintenance is quick and hassle-free. Just swap out the old filter mat and snap in a new one in seconds.
That sounds great, but what about environments with a lot of dust or debris?
That's where our advanced filter mats come in. They efficiently capture dust and particles, extending the lifespan of your equipment and reducing downtime. Looking for a reliable cooling solution? Let's see how Rittal's fans and filters can improve your operations.